Do you order pizza on Fridays? I order pizza on Fridays. I don't order pizza on Fridays. Do you order coffee from the cafe? I order coffee from the cafe. I don't order coffee from the cafe. Do you order books online? I order books online. I don't order books online. Do you order food for delivery? I order food for delivery. I don't order food for delivery. Do you order breakfast at the hotel? I order breakfast at the hotel. I don't order breakfast at the hotel. Do you order your groceries online? I order my groceries online. I don't order my groceries online. Do you order tickets for movies? I order tickets for movies. I don't order tickets for movies. Do you order lunch at work? I order lunch at work. I don't order lunch at work. Do you order drinks at the bar? I order drinks at the bar. I don't order drinks at the bar. Do you order stationery for the office? I order stationery for the office. I don't order stationery for the office. Do you order takeout on weekends? I order takeout on weekends. I don't order takeout on weekends. Do you order flowers for special occasions? I order flowers for special occasions. I don't order flowers for special occasions. Do you order supplies for your business? I order supplies for my business. I don't order supplies for my business. Do you order your favorite dish at the restaurant? I order my favorite dish at the restaurant. I don't order my favorite dish at the restaurant. Do you order from this menu? I order from this menu. I don't order from this menu. Do you order a taxi in the morning? I order a taxi in the morning. I don't order a taxi in the morning. Do you order gifts for your friends? I order gifts for my friends. I don't order gifts for my friends. Do you order birthday cakes from that bakery? I order birthday cakes from that bakery. I don't order birthday cakes from that bakery. Do you order textbooks for school? I order textbooks for school. I don't order textbooks for school. Do you order office furniture online? I order office furniture online. I don't order office furniture online. Do you order lunch for meetings? I order lunch for meetings. I don't order lunch for meetings. Do you order groceries from the supermarket? I order groceries from the supermarket. I don't order groceries from the supermarket. Do you order fast food when you're busy? I order fast food when I'm busy. I don't order fast food when I'm busy. Do you order room service at hotels? I order room service at hotels. I don't order room service at hotels. Do you order books from that website? I order books from that website. I don't order books from that website. Do you order drinks when you go out? I order drinks when I go out. I don't order drinks when I go out. Do you order special meals on flights? I order special meals on flights. I don't order special meals on flights. Do you order shoes online? I order shoes online. I don't order shoes online. Do you order takeaway coffee? I order takeaway coffee. I don't order takeaway coffee. Do you order stationery for your kids? I order stationery for my kids. I don't order stationery for my kids. Do you order medicine from the pharmacy? I order medicine from the pharmacy. I don't order medicine from the pharmacy. Do you order the daily special at the cafe? I order the daily special at the cafe. I don't order the daily special at the cafe. Do you order your favorite salad? I order my favorite salad. I don't order my favorite salad. Do you order toys for your children? I order toys for my children. I don't order toys for my children. Do you order gadgets online? I order gadgets online. I don't order gadgets online. Do you order pet food online? I order pet food online. I don't order pet food online. Do you order ice cream from that shop? I order ice cream from that shop. I don't order ice cream from that shop. Do you order health supplements online? I order health supplements online. I don't order health supplements online. Do you order pizza for parties? I order pizza for parties. I don't order pizza for parties. Do you order flowers for your loved ones? I order flowers for my loved ones. I don't order flowers for my loved ones.